Hi maths, let's start our next class with Maths with Dibya. As you all must be knowing, in the previous class we have discussed about digits, we have discussed about numbers, we have discussed about Indian numeration system, we have discussed about international numeration system, we have discussed about different places, different periods, we have discussed about how to separate the periods using different commas, number names, and all these things we have discussed. So in the next class, that means in this class, we are going to discuss and the next part. The next part is your factors, multiples, LCM, SCF, and most importantly we'll be discussing about the divisibility formulas. What are the different divisibility formulas that we are going to discuss, and different types of numbers such as even numbers, odd numbers, and your primes, co-primes, composite numbers, and all. These all things we'll be discussing, so don't worry about it. Let's start our next class. Let's start. So as I have told you, let us start with the divisibility formula. What are the divisibility formulas? And without dividing, why we need divisibility things, why we need to know about these divisibility formulas. So the thing is, divisibility formulas. Yes, divisibility formulas. So why we need this divisibility formulas? Suppose I will tell you one thing. Okay, dear, the number is 7894. Tell me whether this number will be divisible by 8 or not. So what you will do? You will start dividing. Okay, so I have to divide. Suppose the number is 12,356. 12,356 is the number. So if I'll ask you whether this 12,356 will be divisible by 6 or not, so what you will do? You will start dividing, isn't it? Yeah. So basically these divisibility formulas or these divisibility rules tells us that without dividing we can find out whether this particular number will be divisible by 6, 3, 8, 9 or any digits like that. So basically this is the thing for what we need to know about the divisibility rules. Suppose in a school, let us take one example. In a school, 5,674 students are there. How many students are there? 5,674. 5,674 students are there. And I have to ask that suppose being the teacher of that school, I'm instructing that these 5,674 students will be divided or will participate in 5 different exams or will participate in 5 different competitions. How many competitions? 5 competitions. Yes, these 5,674 students will be participating in 5 different competitions, and I'm asking you and I'm instructing that these students, all the students should be divided equally. As we know in division what we do, we equally divide. Yes, so in 5, I'm asking, my question is 5,674 students can be divided into 5 different competitions equally. So what you will do? Simply will start dividing. There one student is there or anyone will be there, will say, no sir, you are asking us to distribute or divide these 5,674 students in 5 different competitions. They cannot be divided equally. We cannot distribute them equally in 5 different competitions. Why? Because this 5,674 is not completely divisible by 5. In other words, if I'll divide this 5,674 with 5, then there will be a remainder. It will leave a remainder. Getting what I'm saying? So then I will be asking, so how did you come to know that without dividing this 5,674 will not be divisible by 5? Then of course you will say, sir, this is not divisible by 5 because I know the divisibility formulas. So let's start with the divisibility formulas. Yes. let's start with the divisibility formulas. So for the very first thing I'm telling you, we'll be discussing about divisibility formula of 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I'll be giving you the tricks. We'll be discussing the concepts, the tricks or the divisibility formulas or rules where you can find whether this number will be divided by these digits or by these numbers completely or not without dividing it. Getting what I'm saying? Clearly understood? Yeah. Let's proceed. So for the first formula or the first trick is all about 2. So sir, you could have written 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11 in a particular sequence. So why you have written 2, 3 with 6, 4 with 8, 5, 10, then 11, 3 with 9. There is a in between 3 and 9 there is a straight line. Why? I'll tell you. As I have told, the main motive is connectivity. Connectivity means what? Connectivity with interlinked concepts. Whatever concepts are interlinked, you just have to find it out. Let's start with 2. So before starting about 2, let me tell you one thing. The divisibility formula of 2 states if any number ends with, first one is 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. If any number that ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, that means in place of ones place, in ones place, if 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, these 5 numbers are there, then that particular number will be divisible by 2. Getting what I'm saying? So the very first concept or the very first fundamental formula of divisibility, that is 2, let us discuss. So divisibility formula for 2, in ones place, if in ones place 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8, if in the ones place of any number 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8, these 5 numbers are there, then that particular number will be divisible by 2. Getting what I'm saying? Suppose I'm saying the number is 3794. Yes, in ones place 4 is there. 4 is there. So this number will be divisible by 2. Suppose I am giving you another example, 7856. Yes, in ones place 6 is there. So this number will be divisible by 2. If I am saying 7859, so in ones place 9 is there. Can you find 9 here? 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. So 9 is not included. So basically this particular number will not be divisible by 2. Getting what I'm saying? So the first and foremost thing that I want to tell you, any number, if any number which is divisible by 2, how to find out? If it ends with or in the ones place, if 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8, if these 5 digits are there or these 5 numbers are there in the ones place, then only we can say that that particular number will be divisible by 2. Now this is the primary thing, first thing. Second thing, what I'm saying, any number which is divisible by 2 is called as even numbers. Getting what I'm saying? Now I'm telling you the concept of even numbers. Even numbers. What exactly even number says? Any number which is divisible by 2. Any number which is divisible by 2. So what are the numbers that will be divisible by 2? Those who are ending with 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8, or in the ones place is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 are there, then only we can say those numbers are even numbers or those numbers are considered as divisible by 2. Getting what I'm saying? So 1768, whether this particular number will be divisible by 2 or not. Yes, you say yes, this number will be divisible by 2. So if I am telling you 7893, whether this particular number will be divisible by 2 or not? No, because in ones place 3 is there. If in ones place 3 is there, then that particular number will not be divisible by 2 and this particular number will be considered as odd numbers, or it is, we can say this is not an even number. Suppose another number 9476, in ones place 6 is there, that means 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. if in ones place 6 is there, it is divisible by 2, and if it is divisible by 2, then it will be considered as even numbers. Getting what I'm saying? I hope you all must understood that if in ones place 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8, these 5 numbers are there, that particular number will be divisible by 2. If the number is divisible by 2, then that number is considered as even numbers. Getting what I'm saying? So two things I told. If it is divisible by 2, what is the divisibility formula of 2? In ones place 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. If it is getting divided by 2, then it will be considered as even numbers. If it is not divisible by 2, then it will be considered as odd numbers. What type of number it is? Odd numbers. So can you tell me one thing? If in ones place 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 are there, just leave these 5 digits. What are the other digits? Yes, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. If these 5 numbers are there in the ones place, then we can say those numbers are not divisible by 2. If it is not divisible by 2, then it will be considered as odd numbers. Getting what I'm saying? Again, for the last time I'm telling you beta, if 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 are there in the ones place of a number, it is divisible by 2. If it is divisible by 2, it will be considered as even numbers. If it is not divisible by 2, it will be considered as odd numbers. Getting what I'm saying? This is the basic difference between even and odd. This is the basic fundamental formula of divisibility of 2. Any number will be divisible by 2 if in ones place 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 are present. Getting what I'm saying? I hope you all must have understood, isn't it? Yeah. So next we'll be discussing about 3. Divisibility formula of 3. To find or to know whether a particular number will be divisible by 3 or not, what we do? Simply, it is the sum rule. What it is? It is the sum rule. It is the sum rule. What is the sum rule? The sum rule states if all the digits of the number is divisible by 2, then that particular number will be divisible by 2. Suppose I'm taking one number 7,52,314. What's the number is? 7,52,314. And what did I tell? I told you the sum rule. That means all the digits of this number, if all the digits of this number is getting divided by 3, then this number will be divisible by 3. So let's take what are the digits? 7 plus 5 plus 2 plus 3 plus 1 plus 4. Yes, these are the 6 numbers. 7, 5, 2, 3, 1, 4. 7 plus 5 is 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. 14 plus 3 is 17. 17 plus 1 is 18. 18 plus 4 is 22. Yes. So whether 22 is divided by 3 or not? Sir, that we can say 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24. So basically 22 is not divided by 3. If you want to simplify it more, again you simplify. 2 plus 2, which is equals to 4, and 4 is not divided by 3. Getting what I'm saying? So basically we can say 22 is not divisible by 3. If this 22, the sum of all the digits of the given number, is not divisible by 3, then this number will not be divisible by 3. Getting what I'm saying? And don't say so sir is saying that it will not be divisible, that it will not be divisible. Divide yourself, check it out, and then let me know in the comment box whether I have said, whether what exactly the math is saying, it is correct or incorrect. Let's take another number. Suppose 5,78,544. Again, the same thing I am telling you, that if the digits of the given number, and if the sum of the digits of the given number is divisible by 3, then this whole number, this particular number, will be divisible by 3. What are the digits? Digits are 5 plus 7 plus 8 plus 5 plus 4 plus 4. And what is the sum? The sum is 5 plus 7 is 12, 12 plus 8 20, plus 5 25, plus 4 29, plus 4 is 29 4 33. Yes, 33. 5 plus 7 is 12. 12 plus 8 is 20. 20 plus 5 is 25. Plus 4 is 29. Plus 4 is 33. As we know, 33 is divided by or is divisible by 3. Again, there also you can check how 33 is divisible by 3 or not. Again, what are the digits? 3 plus 3, which is equals to 6. And 6 is divisible by 3. 3 2s are 6. 6 is divisible by 3. So 33 will be divisible by 3. So this number 5,78,544, this particular number will be divisible by 3. Getting what I am saying? Yes. Always remember beta, if in a given number, if all the digits, whatever digits are there in a given number, if the sum of all the digits are divisible by 3, then the whole number will be divisible by 3. Clear? All of you understood? So I am giving you a task. So the thing, I am giving you two different numbers, 777, 777, 7,77,777. You know the meaning of 7. Yes, good. Then 13,45,318. 13,45,318. Use the same process, use the same rule. Sum rule means sum of all the digits. Whatever digits are there, if the sum of all the digits is divisible by 3, then the whole number, the given number, will be divisible by 3. I hope I am clear on all these terms. All of you understood the divisibility formula of 2. All of you understood the divisibility formula of 3. Now we'll be discussing about 4. No, not about 4. Now let me take you to the first page. This is what? After 2 and 3, I have written 6, because the divisibility formula of 6 is interlinked with 2 and 3. The divisibility formula of 6 is interlinked with the divisibility formula of 2 and 3. So how these are interlinked? I have told you from the very beginning, we'll be discussing about interlinked, connected concept. We'll connect all the interlinked concepts. What are the interlinked concepts? Let me tell you, the numbers will be, a particular number will be divisible by 6 only if the number is divisible by 2 and 3 both. How it is? 6. If a number is divisible by 2 and 3, it is completely dependent on 2 and 3. If a number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, let me tell you how it is. All the numbers, just remember this table, you will all will understand. Just a minute beta. Yes, so if a number, the number is 6, this number will be divisible by, just a minute, yes, a number will be divisible by 6 only when the number is divisible by 2 and 3 both. Getting what I am saying? If a number is divisible by 2 and not divisible by 3, then this number will not be divisible by 6. If a number is not divisible by 2 but divisible by 3, then this number will also be not divisible by 6. If a number is not divisible by 2, not divisible by 3, and then also it will not divisible by 6. But the condition is, yes, the condition is if a number is getting divided, if a number is completely divisible by 2 and 3, then only it will be divisible by 6. Getting what I am saying? Do not get confused. These are the cons, these are the pro. The thing is, any number which is completely divisible by 2 and completely divisible by 3 both, you cannot say that this number is getting divisible by 2 but it's not getting divisible by 3, then it will be divisible by 6. No, it's completely incorrect. The thing is, the number should be divisible by 2 and it should be divisible by 3 to become divisible by 6. Getting what I am saying? I hope I am clear on all these terms. Suppose I am telling you 7,855. Can you tell me whether this 7,855, this number will be divisible by 6 or not? Yes, think. You think I'm giving you few more numbers. Can anyone tell whether this number will be divisible by 6 or not? No. Why? Because in the ones place 5 is there, and we have discussed in ones place there must be 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. If 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 are not there in ones place, then we cannot say this number will be divisible by 2. So if a number which is not divisible by 2, then it will be not divisible by 6. Getting what I'm saying? Yes. Now let's come here. This number 7894, 7894. 7 first in ones place 4 is there. That means it is divisible by 2. Now we have to check whether this number is getting divisible by 3 or not. 7 plus 8, 15. 15 plus 9, 24. 24 plus 4 is 28. And as we know, 28 is not divisible by 3. So this particular number will not be divisible by 6. 7894 will not be divisible by 6. Getting what I'm saying? Next number, in ones place 1 is there, so it is not divisible by 2. And we know if to get divisible by 6, the number should be divisible by 2 and 3 both. It's not divisible by 2, so we don't need to find whether it is getting divisible by 3 or not. Simply we can say not divisible by 2. That means it will be not divisible by 6. Third one, yes, in ones place 4 is there, so this number is divisible by 2. Now we have to check whether this number will be divisible by 3 or not. 5 plus 6 is 11. 11 plus 9 is 20. 20 plus 4 is 24. 3 8s are 24, and we know that 24 is divisible by 3. If 24 is divisible by 3, that means this number will also be divisible by 3. So we came to know this number is getting divisible by 2, and if this number is getting divisible by 3, both this any number, this 5694 is divisible by 2 and also it is divisible by 3. So we can clearly say this particular number 5694 is divisible by 6. Getting what I'm saying? Yes. So next one is 3738. In ones place first we'll check 8 is there. That means this number is divisible by 2, because in ones place 8 is there. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. If in ones place 8 is there, it is divisible by 2. Now we have to check whether this number is divisible by 3 or not. 3 plus 7 is 10. 10 plus 3 is 13. 13 plus 8 is 21. Yes, 21 is divisible by 3. So clearly we can say if a number which is divisible by 2 and 3 both, then simply that particular number will be divisible by 6. Yes, so this number is also divisible by 6. Getting what I'm saying? So the first out of all these numbers we found two numbers. One is 5694, another one is 3738. These two numbers, one is your 5694, another one is your 3738. These two numbers are completely divisible by 6, because these numbers are also divisible by 2 and 3 both. Getting what I'm saying? Clearly understood? Yes. So next we'll be discussing about, yes, we discussed about 2, we discussed about 3, we discussed about 6. Now we'll be discussing about 4 and 8. Okay, let me tell you, let's go in a sequence. 2, 3, 6. Now I am telling you 9. Okay, so 9 says the same thing. 3 and 9 are interlinked. How? 3 and 9 both exhibit the sum rule. The sum rule. Remember what exactly I had said? You all know, no? While discussing about the divisibility formula of 3, we had discussed that if the sum of all the digits of the given number is divisible by 3, then the particular number will be divisible by 3. So same thing I'm telling you, if the sum of all the digits of a given number is divisible by 9, then that particular number will be divisible by 9. It's very easy. So let me tell you, let's take a number. Suppose it is 7,79,784. 7,79,784. Let's apply the formula, the divisibility formula of 9, and check whether this number is divisible by 9 or not. It is, the sum is 7 plus 7 plus 9 plus 7 plus 8 plus 4. Everywhere it is 7. Okay, 7 plus 7 is 14. 14 plus 9 is 23. 23 plus 7 is 30. 30 plus 8 is 38. 38 plus 4 is 42. So are you able to find 42 in 9's table? No, I guess. 9 4s are 36. 9 5s are 45. So 42 is not divisible by 9. So this number will also be not divisible by 9. I'm telling you clearly, if a number is divisible by, if the sum of all the digits of a given number is divisible by 9, then that number will be divisible by 9. If the sum of all the digits of a number is not divisible by 9, then that whole number will not be divisible by 9. Let's take another example. 7,84,737. Sorry, 37. Yes, what are the digits? 7 plus 8 plus 4 plus 7 plus 3 plus 7. And what is the sum? 7 plus 8 is 15, plus 4 is 19, plus 7 is 26, plus 3 29, plus 7 is 36. Yes, it is 36. So are you able to find 36 in 9's table? 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36. So this 36 will be divisible by 9, yes or no? Yes, that this 36 is divisible by 9. So we can say this 7,84,737 will also be divisible by 9. So clearly understand, we have discussed in the previous number that while discussing about whether the number is divisible by 3 or not, we have discussed that if the sum of all the digits is divisible by 3, then it is divisible by then the whole number is divisible by 3. If the sum of all the digits, what are the digits here? 7 8 4 7 3 7. If the sum of all these digits is divisible by 9, then this number will also be divisible by 9. Getting what I'm saying? Yes. So another one number, 4,94,378. You have to find it by your own. Number 4, 5,67,890. You have to solve it by your own, and you have to check, and you have to let me know in the comment box after watching this video that whether these two numbers are divisible by 9 or not. Getting what I'm saying? Yes. Now let's discuss about 4 and 8. We have discussed 2, we have discussed 3, we have discussed 6, we have discussed 9. Now we'll be discussing about the divisibility formula of 4 and 8. The way I told you that any number that is divisible by 3 or not, or 9 or not, you have to check by the sum of all the digits, because these two concepts are interlinked. Connectivity or connecting, developing the ability to connect all the interlinked concepts. So now I'm telling you about 4 and 8. Now we'll be discussing about 4 and 8, whether any number is divisible by 4 and 8. Yes, I'm telling you a simple thing. What is it? If any number is divisible by 4 or not, we have to check, we have to see the last two digits of that number. Suppose I am telling you 7,97,384. Yes, last two digits, that means 8 and 4 combinedly they are making combinedly they are making 84. We have to check, only we have to check whether 84 is divisible by 4 or not. 4 2s are 8 and 4 1s are 4. That means yes, 84 is getting divisible by 4 without leaving any remainder. That means 84 is completely divisible by 4. If 84 is completely divisible by 4, then this whole number 7,97,384 will be divisible by 4. Getting what I'm saying? Yes. If this number, the number which is getting formed by the last two digits is divisible by 4, then that whole number will be divisible by 4. I hope I am clear on this. Again, I am telling you, if the number which is getting formed by the last two digits of a given number, suppose here in 7,97,384, the last two digits are 8 and 4. Combinedly, they are making 84. And I am telling you, if the last two digits, the number which is getting formed by the last two digits, if 84 is divisible by 4, then this whole number will be divisible by 4. Getting what I am saying? Yes. So let's take another example. It is 9,87,336. What will be the concept we will use here? Again, last two digits 3 and 6. The number which is getting formed 36, and as we know that 36 is divisible by 4. 36 is divisible by 4 or not? 4 9s are 36. That means remainder is 0. So it's completely divisible. The remainder is 0. It's not leaving any kind of remainder. That means this 36 is divisible by 4, so that this whole number will be divisible by 4. The complete fundamental rule of divisibility for I am telling you that if the last two digits, the number which is getting formed by the last two digits is divisible by 4, then the complete number, then the given number will be divisible by 4. Yes. So now you all will ask, sir, we understood the divisibility formula of 4. Okay, I am giving you another two numbers. 7,77,777, 1,23,456. Check and find it out whether this, after watching this video, whenever you will watch this video, pause it. I am telling you, pause here. Check these two numbers and check whether these two numbers are divisible by 4 or not. First, check it through the divisibility rule. Check the last two digits, form the numbers, divide it with the 4, and let me know if, and verify it by dividing, and let me know whether these numbers are really divisible by 4 or not. Getting what I am saying? Yes. Now we will be discussing about 8. As I told you, in case of 4, we are taking the last two digits. So in case of 8, what we will do? We will take the last three digits. Last 1, 2 and 3. 3 digits we will take. Yes. So these are all about 4. Now let's take 8. 1,23,476. I'm asking you this 1,23,476, whether this number is divisible by 8 or not. What you will do? You will check the last three digits. 4, 7, 6. These are the last three digits. And what is the number which is getting formed by the last three digits? 476. You have to check whether this number, whether the number which is getting formed by the last three digits is divisible by 8 or not. So 8 5s are 40, 7 6, 8 9s are 72. The remainder is 4. So simply we can say this 476 is not getting divisible by 8. So in that way we can say the whole number will not be divisible by 6. Getting what I am saying? Yes, beta. I hope all of you understood. The same thing that we have done with 4, same thing we are doing with the 8. But in case of 4, we are taking the last two digits of the given number. But in case of 8, we are taking the last three digits. It's very simple. You can connect with it. You can interlink all the concept 4 with 8. Getting? Yeah. So now we'll be taking another one example. What is it? 3,34,480. 480. Again, last three digits. The number which is getting formed by the last three digits is 480, and I will check whether 480 is getting divisible by 8 or not? Yes, 8 6 are 48 and 0 0 0. Yes, 480 is getting divisible by 8. If 480 is getting divisible by 8, clearly we can say the whole number, the particular number which has been given, will be divisible by 8. I hope I am clear on all this. 4 and 8, in case of 4 we are taking the last 2 digits, in case of 8 we are taking the last 3 digits. Clear? Yeah. So now we have discussed about 2. We have completed discussing 2, 3, 6, 4, 8, 9. Now 5, 10 and 11. Yes, 5, 10 and 11. So let's discuss about 5 and 10. 5 and 10. We'll be discussing about 5 and 10. Divisibility formula of 5 and 10. Whether a particular number is divisible by 5 or not, how to check? The simple thing. Okay, I'm telling you one thing. What is the 5 table? So what you are finding? Can you find any pattern? I am telling you what's the pattern. 5 0 5 0 5 and 0. Yes, in all the product in one's place, either it is 5 or it is 0. That's the divisibility formula of 5. If in case 0 or 5, if in the ones place 0 is there, then it will be divisible by 5, or is 5 is there, then it will be divisible by 5. So I am telling you 1,23,545. Yes, in ones place 5 is there, so it will be divisible by 5. 3,78,946. In ones place neither it is 5 nor it is 0, so it will be not divisible by 5. 4,87,355. Yes, in ones place 5 is there, so it will be divisible by 5. 99,370. Yes, in ones place 0 is there, so it will be divisible by 5. Getting what I am saying? I hope you all must have understood. Yes or no, beta? Okay, so this is the first thing. Second thing, again I am writing the 10 table. 20, 30, 40. So can you find the pattern here? Yes, the pattern is 0 0 0 0. If in one's place 0 is there, then that particular number will be divisible by 10. Yes, 1 9 3 7 6 0. Can you tell me whether this number will be divisible by 10 or not? Yes, because 0 is in the ones place. 3,33,780. Yes, 0 is there in the ones place. It will be divisible by 10. 4,78,570. Yes, 0 is there in the ones place, so it will be divisible by 10. 5,55,782. But here 0 is not there in the ones place, so it will not be divisible by 10. Getting what I am saying? So this is the divisibility formula of 5 and 10. In 5, what exactly we are doing? We are saying that if in ones place either it is 5 or it is 0, then it will be divisible by 5. Or in case of 10, if it is 0 in the ones place, then only that particular number will be divisible by 10. Getting what I am saying? There are so many questions, so many interlinked questions are there. Just because we are discussing all the basic things, the concepts only, that we are discussing. And again I am saying, whatever doubts you are having, if you are solving any book, if you are practicing questions from any book, if you are finding difficulties, you can ask me in the comment box, or you can ask whatever the whatever queries you have, whatever doubts you have. We have our, like I have my own Instagram channel, that is Maths with Dibya. There also you can ask whatever doubts you are having, you can post it there. We'll be discussing in the next class. So we discussed all the things we discussed: 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 5, 10, and now the thing is 11. Now the thing is 11. Yes, divisibility formula of 11. I have seen many people finding difficulties to understand the concept of divisibility of 11. Whether any number is getting divisible by 11, there are a lot of difficulties, there are a lot of confusion, what to do, even places, odd places, consecutive places. So many teachers say so many things. So what we should do, what we need to do. So I'm telling you, I have seen ample of students, they are confused in the divisibility formula of 11. So what is the divisibility formula of 11? I'm telling you. The number I'm writing 3,78,546. Yes, 3,78,546. Just a minute, beta. I'm telling you, this is your first place, this is your second place, this is your third place, this is your fourth place, this is your fifth place, and this is your sixth place, isn't it? Yes, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. How many places are there? 6 places are there. So it is saying the divisibility formula of 11 says the difference, what? First is the difference, means subtraction, difference of sum of what? All the numbers which are present in the even places and odd places. The sum of, if I'm telling you, if the difference of sum of all the numbers present in the even places and in the odd places. Even places mean whatever the numbers are. Even places means 2, 4, and 6. In second, 4 is there, 8 is there, 3 is there. What is the sum? 3 plus 8 plus 4. 3 plus 8 plus 4, which is equals to 15. Yes, great. What are the numbers which is present in the odd places? It is 6, 5, and 7. 6 plus 5 is 11. 11 plus 7, 6 plus 5 plus 7 is equals to 6 plus 5 is 11. 11 plus 7 is 18. Getting what I'm saying? Whatever the numbers are, it is saying the sum of all the digits present in the even places and in the odd places. If the difference between them is either 0 or multiples of 11. So 15 and 18, what is the difference? 18 minus 15 is equals to 0. It is not 0. Sorry, it is 0. So it is not divisible by 11. The difference between the sum of all the numbers present in the even places and in the odd places. Even places mein whatever numbers are there, their sum, and in odd places whatever numbers are there, their sum. If their difference of the sum is either 0 or multiples of 11. What are the multiples of 11? Whenever we'll be discussing about multiples and factors, I'll tell you, but for now I am telling 11. Multiples of 11 means whatever, if we'll multiply 11 with counting numbers, whatever we'll get, 11 ones are 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66. These numbers are called as multiples of 11. So I am telling you, either it should be 0 or it should be a multiple of 11. If it is not in between these two, then this number will not be divisible by 11. Getting what I am saying? Clearly understood? I am giving you another example. There more clarity will come. Suppose it is 1, 3, 7, 8, 9. So this is your 1, 3, 5. This is your second, fourth number. 9 plus 7 plus 1 it is your 17. 3 plus 8 it is 11, and This is your first place, second, third, fourth, 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 3 and 5 are odd numbers, 2 and 4 are even numbers. So 17 and 11, the difference is clear. 17 minus 11 is 6. Neither it is 0 nor it is a multiple of 11. So this number will not be divisible by 11. I am giving you another number, 1 3 3 1. The first 1 3 3 1. This is your first place, this is your second place, this is your third place, and this is your fourth place. So we have to find it out, what are the numbers which is present in the even places and odd places. Odd places may, what are the numbers? 1 and 3. 1 plus 3. In even places, second and fourth, 2. Say 2 is a, I told you na, 2 is a even number. So in 2 it is 3, and in fourth place it is 1. So 1 plus 3 is 4, minus 3 plus 4 is also 4, is 0. Then I am telling you this number 1331 is divisible by 11. You can check it out. So I am telling you beta that these all these numbers. Now we discussed about everything. We discussed all the divisibility formula of 2 3 4 5 6 8 9 10 and 11. Getting what I'm saying? So you have to check one thing, whether you understood all the questions, whether you understood all the concepts or not. If you have not understood, watch it again. Still, if you are finding any difficulties in solving any kind of questions, you can ask in the comment box. You can ask in our Instagram channel what I've created, where you can post your queries and doubts. Ask me in the DM. So then we'll be discussing. So just a quick test. We'll conduct. So the first one is numbers will be present here. It will be divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9 and 10. Here it is 11 also. You just have to put a tick mark. Okay. So first one is 2,33,476. 7,84,391. 5,53,374. 7,87,797. 1,23,456. 4,56,789. This one is for divisibility 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. Another one I am writing 11. Okay. Yes. Simply you have to put the tick mark and cross mark. If it is divisible by 2, put the tick mark. If it is not divisible by 2, then put the cross mark. So first one I am doing for you, 2,33,476. 6 is in the ones place. If 6 in ones place, then it will be divisible by 2, and if it is getting divisible by 2, then it is an even number, so it will be a tick mark. Okay. So today we have discussed the divisibility formula, the concept of divisibility formula. I hope I am clear on all the terms whatever we have discussed. Now it's time for you, pause it, write it down on your notebook, solve it, and let me know if you are finding any kind of difficulties. Thank you. Jai Jagannath.